Hello. Today I'm going to walk you through LinkedIn Tell, a simple yet powerful browser extension that helps SDRs perform company research with just a single click. So instead of typing multiple prompts into ChatGPT or switching across tabs and tools, LinkedIn Tell automatically compiles the essential insights SDRs need before outreach. It's fast, consistent, and designed to save you time. Let's look at the key tabs inside the extension right now. So I'm going to show you the extension right now. You click on this, and it's doing the research in the background. Just for the sake of this example and video, I'm going to take a couple of companies and I'm going to walk you through those. First, let's look at PepsiCo. Now we have the company overview tab out here. It gives you a quick snapshot of the business, including whether the company is public or private, when it was founded, where it's headquartered, and its core products and business lines. This essentially, while most folks know about PepsiCo, there are a lot of companies where this would essentially help build a mental model about the particular industry and company. So here you get to know about the top competitors, who are some of the customers. It will quickly give you a sense of what the company does. Now next, let's look at the tech stack. Now the tech stack is completely customizable, but the tech stack essentially will give the SDRs valuable insights on the competitive or complementary tools that are already being used inside the company. That makes it easier to qualify fit, uncover potential points, and tailor messaging for technical or product-focused buyers. Now let's look at the next tab, financial overview. And for this, I've chosen Nike as an example. The tab gives you an insight snapshot of financial health of the market performance, including revenue, net income, earnings per share, market cap, and year-over-year trends. In Nike's case, we can see some revenue and earnings pressure along with indicators in momentum, volatility, and recent quarterly misses. It also summarizes performance analysis and market sentiment, helping SDRs understand whether a company is growing, stabilizing, or navigating a turnaround. Here, if you want to also look at their 10K reports, can direct access, including 10K, 10Q. This context is critical for prioritization and for framing conversations with the right level of sensitivity and relevance. Next, we have the risk signals tab. Sticking with Nike for the risk signals tab, LinkedIn Tell highlights potential red flags like negative news, layoffs, and restructuring activity. Here, we can see multiple layoff rounds in 2025 tied to cost cutting and broad restructuring strategy amid weakening demand and increased competition. For SDRs, this awareness helps adjust tone, timing, and messaging and avoid walking into conversations blind. News and signals. While the previous tab was about risk signals, this is more a generic tab. And for news and signals, maybe we can take NVIDIA as an example, given the most recent activity around it. This tab surfaces high-impact updates like product launches, funding activities, strategic investments. In NVIDIA's case, we can see the launch of the Rubin platform, NVIDIA's investment of $10 billion in Anthropic. This kind of real-time signals gives SDRs timely, relevant angles for outreach, tied directly to growth initiatives and executive priority. Last, we have the Ask AI feature. Now, instead of opening ChatGPT and asking these questions, you can directly ask these questions within the box itself. For example, I can go and ask, give me the latest news on NVIDIA earnings. Here, you can customize your prompts, and this will give you a clear view without moving into a ChatGPT or another tab. Here, NVIDIA's most recent earnings results from Q4 with the next earnings release is scheduled, and this gives you analysis. Now, you can ask questions like, who is the CEO of NVIDIA and where it is? Yep, you have the answer there. And the last tab is decision makers. So we all know Jensen is the CEO. Essentially, LinkedIn says there's hours of manual research, ensure smooth, consistent account preparation,